Yeah, we got your tag number, we got everything. Your progression and your behavior is very concerning, okay? I was going to arrest you last night.
I don't understand what
well,
you're talking about.
Okay, well, the jogger that you pulled up in front of and stopped her the other day and got out, and you went up and down Shell 4 or 5 times, she got you on video, okay? Your behavior is very disturbing as to what's going on. So what was that about with her?
With who?
The girl that was about a week ago down here on Shell Road. You went up and down the road, you drove on the opposite side of the road. She got you all on video.
Okay.
What was that all about?
Did I say anything to her? Or?
Why were you following her?
I wasn't following anybody.
You were. She's got you on video.
Okay. Driving down the road or following?
Four times. Okay. 4 times you went back and forth.
Okay.
Then you pulled over on the opposite side of the road to try to talk to her.
Okay.
There's going to be your chance to explain this to me. You drove on the wrong side of the road and you were trying to talk to her. So what was going on with that?
I wasn't trying to talk to anybody. Did I say anything?
Why were you even...
Let's get a lawyer, that's all.
Okay, that's no problem. Well, you're going to need one.
Also needs a razor. Get rid of that stalker mustache that he's got. Not that all mustaches are like that, just that particular one that he had. All right, how difficult are stalking cases to investigate? Because at some point, some of them might come down to a he said, she said. Donald Schweitzer, your thoughts?
Yeah, don't forget that most cops have mustaches, Vinny, so be careful of that.
Right. I'm saying that one that he had was very,
okay.
right. I was not going after all mustaches. No, not at all.
Okay. So, they're usually pretty easy. These people are obsessive, compulsive. Their behavior is repetitive. They always return to the same people, the same crimes. So it's not a matter of how hard it is to investigate, but stopping them before they hurt somebody. I mean, they are usually very dangerous people because they're mentally unstable. So getting to them is really what the trick is, and really the victims have to be calling. And fortunately, we've got the technology like we did here. We got him on camera, and people know who he is, and they can see him actually committing these crimes over and over again. In this case, Vinny, is there any question about what was on his mind, knowing who this guy is and listening to him talk?
Absolutely. And the other thing, Dr. Keith Taylor, it was important here. I mean, there were more accusers that came forward after all of this.
Yeah, the deluge came in as soon as the sheriff's office posted this information on their webpage. And so, some of the defenses, common defenses, are that there's no credible threat. This individual saying, I wasn't doing anything wrong. Constitutionally protected activity, and no intent to cause fear. And when you have somebody who's a sociopath, they may actually rationalize that this stalking activity is, in fact, not causing fear to others. In this case, it's clear that this individual was doing just that and has a pattern in history of doing it, including the teenager that he tried to abduct and kidnap previously.
Yeah, and I love the ending where, I want a lawyer. Yeah, you're going to need one. You're going to need one. He absolutely does. Final question for Dr. Keith Taylor and Donald Schweitzer. Both clean-shaven now, but when you were on the job, did you guys have the mustache?
Well, I can answer. As an undercover, I had a long beard.
Okay.
And a ponytail.
Yeah.
The pony. How about you, Donald?
Yeah, I had it. My wife won't let me grow it back. So, Vinny, I'm stuck being a...
You had to hand
lawyer.
it in with your shield. Here's my shield, and here's my mustache. All right. Great job, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. Always great to have you on. Dr. Keith Taylor, Donald Schweitzer joining us tonight.